Hi, welcome back. We have Al Burton with Nissan Irvine here to tell us about all the new things happening there and also under new management, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
We are under new management, new GM, new owners. We are open 7 to 7 at Nissan of Irvine. We have free shuttle anywhere in Orange County.
Okay.
And we pick up cars for the Laguna Woods residents. We pick up their cars, deliver their cars, and we service them.
So someone could call the service department and then you guys would send somebody out to come and pick up their car at their doorstep, right?
Absolutely.
Well, tell me how that works.
All they have to do is call the dealership, ask for myself, I'm the service manager, and I'll be more than happy to send somebody over to pick up the vehicle and deliver it back to them.
And there's no extra charge for that?
No extra charge.
That is great.
Yes.
That's great. And then once they get to your facility in the service department, what are some of the things that they're going to see? Do you have a lot of room for them? Or what
yes, we have a waiting area. We have amenities including coffee, all the pastries are there, water.
Right, and there's something else there too that you were telling me about.
Yes, we got play area for kids.
Yes.
Yes, we have play area for kids, and we have.
And look, you guys got popcorn.
Yes, we have popcorn.
It's freshly made popcorn.
Freshly made.
Well, that's nice.
Every hour and a half, we get a fresh batch there.
Very fun. And then here's where all of the sodas and the vending machine and the coffee is, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And then what about? You have some other services such as free shuttle service. So if they don't need their car picked up, they can come to you and then you guys drive them home?
Yes, we deliver them home. We pick them up from home. And the shuttle is running from 7 to 7 weekdays, and on weekends we're open, or on Saturday we're open only 7 to 6.
Right, okay. And then if you have a business person that's in your facility, what do you provide them? Do you have Wi-Fi for them?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi there at the dealership.
Okay, perfect, perfect. And then what about car washes?
Oh, we do wash every car that comes to our dealership.
Okay, that's great.
And for the Laguna Woods, we put Armor all over the tires, clean them up.
That's good, because you got, who wants to do that on themselves?
Yes.
Wonderful. And then you have, what's the early bird drop-off? How does that work?
Well, if they come after hours or before 7 o'clock that we're open, you can drop off your car, lock it up, and drop off on an envelope in the service drive, and we pick up, call them up in regards to the services that is needed.
Okay, good. And let's talk a little bit about some of the specials that you guys have running at both Nissan of Irvine and also Nissan of San Juan Capistrano.
We have 10% off for all the Laguna Woods residents.
Okay, on anything that they do?
On services. On
services? Okay.
Yes.
What about repairs? Would that be the same too?
Yes, that would be the same. Any services, repairs, 10%
Great. Should they
off.
say that they saw Al on TV?
Yes, why not?
Well, that will be good for them to know. And then let's go over the hours one more time. I know we have a slide for that. So you said in Irvine it was Monday through Friday, 7 to 7?
Yes.
Okay.
On Saturday, 7 to 6.
Okay, and that's for Irvine. And then Capistrano was 7 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Yes.
And then Saturday was 7 to 4.
Yes.
And then both are closed on Sundays, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, here we go. So is there anything in addition, if they wanted to know more, what would be the website that they would go to?
They will go to nissanofirvine.com.
Okay.
Or they can call us at the telephone number we have here.
Okay, perfect.
And ask for me, and I'll be more than happy to help them any way I can.
Well, great. Well, thank you for the information. We appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Any services you need, just call me.
Okay.
I'll be there.
All right, very good. I will be right back after this.